Right, so we're back again. Today we're going to be talking the onion. Onion comes from the Latin allium cepa, Alliumcepa, and it means oneness. It's a one bulb. It's just a crazy little thing, full of sulfites, and it's one of the most versatile things you'll ever find. But it's great. I love it. It's so good. But you don't want to eat the skin on it. It's just, if you got a garbage disposal, try not to throw it down there because it'll actually clog it up. It's kind of interesting. But you can do anything with an onion. You can pickle it, you can grill it, you can boil it, you can do this, you can do that. You could probably bathe in it if you really wanted to, but you would smell really bad. So I will totally say not to do that. Food wise, you will see onions in almost any and every recipe you can possibly find. It's so nutty. So if you're allergic, I'm terribly sorry. And if you're not, well, let's learn how to cut an onion because it's an onion and we need to know how to do that. So hang tight. Notice the onion. Notice the knife. So what we're going to do is you can do several things. Peeling the onion is always kind of tricky for me to just peel it like that. So what I'll do a lot of the time is I'll just go ahead and cut it in half. Now, I've also heard that can be slightly unsanitary due to the fact that the skin of the onion, they're grown in the dirt. So, but the thing is if you wash your stuff like you're supposed to, you shouldn't really have much of an issue. And usually I'll just go ahead and do it like this. And notice, sometimes if I get something that's kind of like that, I'm just not really happy with the quality of it. I'll go ahead and take that first ring off. And we'll go from there. And taking a second. And to the corner! Yay! So, if you're looking to make a julienne is an eighth of an inch by an eighth of an inch by an inch and a half. And what you're going to do is, you're actually going to go to the right of that core. Notice how I just went right there? I did that on purpose so that I could turn it over like that. And I could just slowly, and notice, control the knife, Don't be afraid of it. Just control the knife, And if you get to a place like this, you just go ahead and finish it up. And that's a julienne, alright? Now let's say you want to dice it, what we like to call as a brunoise sometimes. You'll turn it, and then you'll do the same thing there as well. Notice I've got a nice little dice there. It's not really perfect, but if we're just mixing it up, or we're just trying to do something, now if you're looking for a perfect brunoise, what you can do is you can actually take it right here and go down the ridges, and then I'll actually turn that, and I won't go all the way through to the core. I'll actually I'll go about 3/4 of the way through, and then I'll turn it, and I'll go like that. And I feel like I'll have a more shapely onion at that point. So that's how I like to dice my onions. Oh yeah, look right there. Notice I still got the core right there. Awesome. And I put it over there because I don't want to use it. And I have a nice shapely onion right there. So that's a little bit about onions. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.